Hi guys, I'm back with part two with Cami. The first video we talked about the annotation tools in Cami and all that you can do within Cami. This time we're going to look at how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. So remember, you have to have the Cami extension, and I come right here to the classwork page so I can click create. Instead of clicking assignment, I click Cami assignment. So it's going to generate an assignment box just like you would normally have in Google Classroom, and you have the same options of assigning it to one class or multiple classes. If you assign it to one class, you have the option of assigning it to multiple students. So you would click right there, the down arrow, to choose the class or to choose the students. This right here is if you want to go ahead and assign it or if you want to just save it as a draft. So we're going to give it a title. Doing Flowers for Algernon, you have the options of giving it points, just like a regular assignment, due date, scheduling when it's posted, assigning it to a topic, and if you would like to send Cami instructions to your students, if this is their first time using Cami, then you can do that. If not, you don't have to check that. So you have two options. You can access your drive, your Google Drive, or you access your hard drive on your device. So we're going to pull up our Google Drive. And if you've never used Cami before, it's going to take you through allowing permissions to access Google Drive, just like any other time that you have a connection with an extension in Google. You have to give it permission. So I'm going to go ahead and go to recent because I've already pulled this PDF up before, and I'm going to click on Flowers for Algernon. This is the PDF that I would like to use, and it's going to create that PDF within the assignment. So this is the option that's recommended because we're annotating with Cami, so you will want each student to have their own copy. You can have students share one copy, but once again, that means everyone is on one copy annotating, and that can cause confusion. And you can have that students cannot edit file, which is really not necessary if you're using the Cami option. So we're going to leave it, make a copy for each student. And then we're going to click assign. And it's going to show up like a regular assignment in Google Classroom. And you have the options of adding other documents from your drive or linking any other website that you would like to link to that particular assignment, just like any other time. So once again, it gives you the options of sending your students a link with instructions. If not, you could just open in Classroom. So here it's going to open up the assignment in Classroom. And you still have the option of going to that assignment and editing the assignment if you want to add anything else with it, delete it. Managing Cami is just basically the permissions that you've allowed Cami to access. So once again, we have a regular assignment just like we would in Google Classroom, where you can add, create other documents to go along with it. You still have these same options that you originally had, but then you also have the option to add a rubric. So once you're done adding everything that you would like to add to this assignment, you would click save if you made any changes. If you don't need to add anything to the assignment once you created it in Cami, then you don't have to go in and edit and do anything else to it. So this is how you would create an assignment, a Cami assignment within Google Classroom.